I'm going to tell you about EcoStruxure power operation in 60 seconds. When a minute of downtime means financial loss, damaged reputations, or risk of injury, losing power is not an option. Operating your medium and low voltage networks is mission critical, demanding a secure, dedicated, high-performance software designed for power automation, power monitoring, and power events analysis. Avoid overloads, isolate faults, detect abnormal conditions, manage complex multi-source networks, and restore power quickly. Power operation is also built to address your energy management needs, HVAC control, load shedding, cost allocation, and carbon reporting. From power availability to efficiency and sustainability, EcoStruxure power operation. Simply the most advanced and cyber-secure power management software in the world. And that's power operation in 60 seconds.